Thai desserts often feature rice, sticky rice in particular. So this is sticky rice, and if you notice, it's slightly different color from jasmine rice. It's a bit shorter and plumper. And the trick with sticky rice is you gotta soak it first before you cook it. I've got some that's been soaking here for several hours. And as it's soaking, the water gets absorbed into the grain, it plumps it up. And when I go to steam it, it's gonna turn the rice moist and chewy. And here's a tip. Sticky rice mushes easily, so you don't wanna cook it in water. You wanna steam it. So I'm just gonna put the sticky rice into the steamer, which has cheesecloth. Wrap it up like a present. And now I steam it. Super easy. It's gonna take 20 minutes to get chewy and sticky. Ooh. Now, quickly. Whew. All right. Now in Thailand, plain sticky rice like this, we eat it with barbecue chicken, we eat it with papaya salad. Oh, and I can eat this all day. But for dessert, I'm gonna sweeten it up with coconut syrup. Just coconut milk, sugar, and a little bit of salt. And while the rice is still hot, it's going to absorb all that coconut milk, and it'll plump up and become moist and juicy. And while this rests for 30 minutes, I'm gonna grill some fruit. I'm grilling bananas in the skin. And when this goes on the grill, it's gonna get soft and warm on the inside. It'll go so well with the sticky rice. And I'm just making a little slit here so that the steam can escape. And these are just gonna take a few minutes. And you know they're ready when they're nice and black. These are not the most exciting thing to watch as they cook, but I promise you they're gonna be exciting to eat. And these are done. Ooh, they're gonna be so ooey gooey. And the cool thing about this charred skin, it just smells kind of like coffee. Rice is done, and the coconut aroma is filling the air. And I'm gonna make a Thai banana split. Ooh, look at that soft, moist, warm banana. Can't wait. If you're at home, have fun with this. Whatever you like with your banana, can't go wrong. A little chocolate sauce. Some cool whipped cream with some vanilla. And the highlight. We've got soft, moist banana. Nothing better than some chewy, sweet coconut sticky rice. Wow. Now I pay some good money for that. Wow. Wow. That's crazy. The warm, moist banana and the rich, creamy, chewy, sticky rice. This is like the best of both worlds, East and West. Oh, I can eat this all day.